baker.
Told ya, he's a little sensitive about it. He was born and raised there.
What happened?
The chef snatched him up in the middle of the night. Next day, old Joe's gone from free bird to jailbird. Come on,
Feathers.
just
Oh
don't get there.
no.
Fly to the big green statue, fly due south for 3 miles, then due east for 1 mile, due west for 10 miles, then you southwest for 1 mile, south-southeast for 2 miles, and south-southwest for the rest of the way. And don't stop until you see that mist dancing atop the beautiful blue mountains. You can't miss it.
Oh no.
Oh, no, don't cry, Big Red. It's all right. We didn't mean to upset you.
I miss my family. Delroy, and Nickel Donnie, Dolores, Dee, Winston! That's my cousin.
Dad, you're not really gonna leave him here, are we? You look so cramped in that cage.
Come on, blow it out.
What? There's nothing we can do here, Dax.
We can get the key.
No, kid. That's impossible.
Why? Where is it?
Down there. The chef keeps that key on him at all times. And trust me, you don't want to go anywhere near that lunatic. Him catch ya, him turn you into Chocolat Rouge.
What's Chocolat Rouge?
It's you with the punch on top.
Oh
You
no.
know what? Guys, don't worry. I'll go get it.
What? No.
Dad, it's okay. I've got this.
No, you don't got this.
Just because you're scared of everything in the world doesn't mean I have to be.
Fluttering feathers.
Okay, you know what? I will go get the key.
Cool. I'm coming with you.
No, you
Two.
stay.